boys and girls, this is your overview for the week in science. We are focusing on the week of December 7th through December 11th. And you can see that the question that we are trying to really focus on and answer this week is, why does the moon appear to change shape, and what are the different phases of the moon? When we open up Monday's folder, the first thing you're going to do is watch this video by Dr. Bionics. I will tell you the beginning of the video is kind of like babyish and sort of strange, but it does get a lot better. So watch this video. It's a pretty short video. After that, you're going to read the pages listed in your textbook here, 129 to 133, where you will learn more about the phases of the moon. You are going to print this interactive notebook page, Phases of the Moon, and then you're going to watch this video where Miss Curry will go through and discuss for you the different phases of the moon. Moving on to Tuesday, I've given you another video to watch here. Phases of the moon tend to be a little bit tricky for students in the beginning, and I think that she does a really great job. The beginning of the video, again, is a little confusing, but once she actually holds up this styrofoam ball and she shows you, like, with the moon, this demonstration orbiting, then you will see that the phases of the moon become pretty easy to follow along with. So you're going to watch this video, and then you are going to complete this moon phase flip book. So you're going to open that, read the directions very carefully to complete that flip book. On Wednesday, you are going to read text pages 134 and 135, and then you are going to complete this Lesson 3 Sum It Up. This just checks for your understanding of the moon phases. And on Thursday includes kind of a fun activity. You're going to open this discussion board post, and so you'll see a link right here where it says click here. So you're going to have to open this link. What you are going to find is you are going to change the month and the year to your birth month. So what was your birthday? What month are you born in, and what year? And then you're going to click go, and then you're going to view the calendar, and you're going to find out which moon phase appeared on the day you were born. Then on a sheet of paper, you're going to draw the moon phase and identify which phase of the moon occurred on the day you were born. Finally, you're going to post a picture right here in this discussion board. On Friday, we've included an optional activity, so you can either participate in this activity. If you choose not to, I am asking you to please use this time to complete all of your other assignments. So this kind of gives you a day to get caught up. Those of you that have finished all your work, though, you have this activity. And if you have some Oreos at home, students usually really enjoy doing this in class, but you are going to create the different phases of the moon using an Oreo. Once you have finished that, then you can upload a picture of your completed moon phases right here in this discussion board. Again, that's optional, but if you have any questions about this week in science, please let me know. Thank you.